Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Come on, buddy. Buddy. Pumpkin. Hello. Hello. Hello, baby. Yo, bud. How's it going? Oh. No, little baby. Such a cutie. Whoop, whoop. Pumpkin. Oh, handsome. You need to clean you sometime. So we found this cat on our porch one day. We didn't know where he came from, so we kind of like sort of adopted him. I mean, he had a flea collar on him, but he was a mess, all skinny, starving. And he's been living on our porch ever since. So, yeah. I guess this guy's a new addition to the family. We call him Pumpkin. Hello, Pumpkin. Such a cutie.